thought I'm going to show you what the cucumber like. Here it is, because we love the cucumber so much and we always put this in any salads that we make. Try to healthy here, but like they are not the continental one. Continental cucumber one, they are longer, like probably twice in this grow for the continental cucumber. This is, that's what it called, cucumber Lebanese, if I'm not mistaken. They're the cucumber Lebanese because my partner and I, we love it so much, and in any dish eat it, or even you can peel this one, wash it and peel the skin off, and you can eat just the way it is. There is a lot of healthy benefits on this cucumber. So there you are. It's very healthy for you. I thought just gonna show it to you. This cucumber, it's really good for the salad, or you can eat, that's the way it is. I do believe this is a cucumber seedlings that I put in here. That I put seeds in here. And look at this cute little basil that the insects just got it off from here. Never mind, I tried to put it back, but there is no roots on it. We'll see if it grows back again. So there you are, that's the cucumber. I'm really looking forward to harvest like this one day. There you are. I really do believe that was the cucumber Lebanese that we planted in here. But there's still left over here. And I'm gonna show you what the seed look like. And kind of whitish seeds. Hang on everyone. I'm just opening in the other end of mine. Okay. Oh, look at that. Look at these seeds here. Absolutely, it was a cucumber seeds that I put in here. Finally guys, there it is. Exactly the cucumber seeds that we put in here. That's the, so you can see, that's the seeds for the cucumber. That's it. Absolutely a cucumber. Here. There's more seeds here. You need to grow more. So I'm gonna stick this back again here. Just stick a bit on. That's it. Okay. A little bit more. There you are, mate. Okay. Wish me luck. One more some seeds here. Didn't really make it into seedlings yet, but we'll see. Big more hole. And I'm gonna put it up here. There you are. Beautiful, crunchy, healthy, very healthy cucumber. They are the sweet tasting and also a barbless too. Oh, there is a variety of cucumber that you can barb too. So this one is barbless, so which means it's a very light taste. It's not a bit acid. It's not, just a little bit of acid, but not very acidic. So it's really good for you. Very awesome. Yummy cucumber. This is gonna be our dinner tonight. Cucumber salad and mixed veggies. Fresh salad veggies. It's all greenery stuff. Okay. Exactly the mystery solved right now. Bye everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, please do subscribe and likes or even shares my channel. Because I'm really appreciate it, guys, and I will do the same to you. I'm gonna visit your channel and I'll do the same. Support each other. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.